funXcies, welcome back to my channel. So for today's video I'm gonna make this very beautiful lamp only out of plastic bottle. It's really easy to make, and yet it looks super beautiful when you decorate at your home in the night time. It's gorgeous, guys, trust me. So let's get started. So as you can see, I've taken this huge bottle, and it's plastic bottle, as you can see, of course. Now I'll take my cutter and I'll cut this out using adult supervision. I'll take it out, and then this is the part I get, and this is the part I'll be needing. Now what I'll do is that I'll take my marker and I'll just make some designs which I'll carve out from this plastic.
That I made by myself, oh, and I always do the wrong thing. I'm unstable and I'm unsteady, I've lost a million times already. I'm so sorry, but I'm not able to slow down. I feel unable and so unworthy, my heart feels heavy, I've lost already. And I'm so sorry, but I'm not.
So guys, as you can see, this is the design which I created. Now what I'll do is that I'll take my soldering iron and I'll just start making these scarves. So guys, you should be careful, really careful, because it's super hot, and you also need some adult supervision, then only you can make this. So just carve out the lines and the design which you've made.
I know the air I'm breathing, it's no good for my lungs. I do this every season, I hate when summer comes. I fall into a trap that I made by myself, oh, and I always do the wrong thing. I'm unstable and I'm unsteady, I've lost a million times already. And I'm so sorry, but I'm not able to slow down. I feel unable and so unworthy, my heart feels heavy, I've lost already. And I'm so sorry, but I'm not able to slow down now. And I'm so sorry, but I'm not able to slow down now. And I'm so sorry, but I'm not able to slow down now. Self-destructive, I'll take a hit, I love it. Can you give me a second? I'm slow, got blurry vision. I fall into a trap that I made by myself, oh, and I always do the wrong thing. I'm unstable and I'm unsteady, I've lost.
Okay, so guys, once you are doing that, don't worry about the perfection or the cleanliness, because that's nothing to worry about, because obviously this design is gonna be little crooked types. So now what I'll do is that I'll poke some holes as well, just so the light can come out easily and more beautifully.
I don't understand, I'm doing the best that I can right now, but it's never enough. I'm not even ready to slow down.
So now as you can see, I'll just turn these parts out, and so that it will give me a 3D look, and it's really beautiful, guys. Just fold them outwards, and that's it. Now let's start painting it. So I'll just be painting the flowers and the leaves, nothing else. You can obviously use any kind of imagination you want it to be. Over here I'm using acrylic paints and I'll paint the flowers and the leaves only. I'll also highlight it and try to make it look more elegant. So the other huge flowers, I'll be giving them this beautiful sea green color. Now over here, I'll be painting these over here, just a slight little white acrylic color just to give those beautiful white effect. Now I'll paint these leaves green color. Now I'll paint these white dots as well, just little bit. Some red dots as well. Now I'll just paint these corners slightly with some glitter dust and glue. Now I'll put some white pearl beads as well. So guys, as you can see, this is how it looks right now. Now what I'll do is that I'll make some stand as well, and I'll use a small plastic bottle. Top part for that, I'll just cut it out, give it a slight little cut at the end and stick it over here. Then I'll take my battery operated fairy lights and put it inside. So once this is done, let's turn off the lights. Ta-da guys, this is beautiful, right? It's super magical and very beautiful when you keep this in your house in the night time. As you can see, it looks super cute and super beautiful. So guys, this is it. This is the final video. I really hope you guys liked it. If you did, please make sure you give it a big fat thumbs up and subscribe to my channel, and make sure you hit the bell icon so that whenever I post a new video, you will be notified. Till next time, bye bye.
I'm always self-destructive. I'll take a hit, I love it. Can you give me a second? I'm slow, got blurry vision. I'll fall into a trap that I made by myself. Oh, and I always do the wrong thing. I'm unstable and I'm unsteady. I've lost a million times already. I'm so sorry, but I'm not able to slow down. I feel unable and so unworthy. My heart feels heavy, I'm lost already. And I'm so sorry, but I'm not able to slow down now. Please help me see the things that I am. I don't understand. I'm doing the best that I can right now, but it's never enough. I'm not here